Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Dave from Apple Unlimited. Today I'm going to show you how to hook up any single microphone you have to your iPhone. So stick around, I'll show you how to do it. So I've been filming videos for a long time with my iPhone and I love it. The picture quality is amazing. The audio, it's decent, but it's not the best. But I have been just recording with it and trying to modify it in post, trying to edit it in post a little bit, and it helps, but it's still not where I want it to be. So I went ahead and spent 60 bucks on this. This is the Rode Lav mic, and this, with the adapter, connects right into your iPhone, and it works, and it sounds good. It doesn't sound as good as I want it to, even still. It has a few little problems. I'm still glad I bought it. I will use it for other stuff. Other products here and there. This is a really cool mic. I am happy I bought it, like I said, but it's not going to be my main go-to. So I did buy this one. Is a Saramonic. This is what you need to get right here. This is about 150 bucks with shipping on Amazon. It's made for the iPhone, and you can connect 2 microphones if you want. You don't have to do 2, you can just do 1 if you want. I'm going to show you how to use it. Before we get to the audio samples, I wanted to show you the Saramonic, the DI. Basically, this is a DI or a interface. It has preamps in it. This is what will transfer the signal, a microphone signal, into one that your iPhone can recognize and use to record with. You have to have this in order to hook up a microphone to your phone. But it has 2 channels on it. Each one has its own volume control or gain trim. If you have it up too high or too low, it'll sound like crap, so be sure and play with it for a little while. It also has 1/8" inputs. If you have like a lav mic or a different kind of mic, actually this one right here, I could plug this one in here if I wanted to. Not that I would have to, because that's made for an iPhone, but just as an example. It also has the 1/4" inputs as well as the XLR, which XLR, that's the main microphone cable input. It takes a 9-volt battery. It lasts about 12 hours. Right here on the top, it has a M or S, and that's for mono or stereo. If you want to run your microphones on both channels equally, you're in mono. If you want to run stereo, it'll pan one microphone hard left, the other one hard right. That way you can edit them separately in post if you want, which is a really cool feature to have. I'm sure I will definitely take advantage of that at some point when I have dual mics going on. But for me, it's just a room mic, so that's all I need. It also has phantom power if you have a condenser mic, like this one. It does require phantom power, so that's built in, which is really cool. Also, you just plug this into your phone, pull up the regular old video app, and record. I do also have Filmic Pro, which I think is about $15–20 app. And it's like a more advanced filming app that it does have a meter on the screen, which is cool. So you can use that to kind of dial in your settings if you want. So let's go ahead. And also, it is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be about this big. And it's not. It's real small. It's real lightweight. It has a little screw on the back, so I can attach it to my tripod. Not that this is the best idea I've ever had, but it will fit on a tripod if you want, or something like that. Okay, so for my audio test, I'm going to test out 3 different microphones that I have. Okay, this is the microphone test. This is the AKG, the C214, large diaphragm condenser. This is about a foot away. It gains at about 70%. The one thing I'm worried about is the noise floor, which is kind of like the static you hear. Hopefully I can take that out. We'll try in post. If I can, this is going to be an awesome sounding mic, and probably the one that I'll use more often than not. It will be, let's see, just for testing sake, it'll be about this far away, maybe a little bit further, but just volume wise, it'll be something like this. This is the Shure, the SM7B. This one I wouldn't really use typically for speaking, but just to test that I am. And this is mainly used for miking guitar cabinets. It's awesome for that. But anyway, here it is, just as a test reference. All right, let's change it out again. And then the next one is my favorite mic of all times that I have so far. It's a Shure SM7B. This one is amazing for singing. It's what I recommend everyone get if you need one for singing or for broadcast, making videos. But the thing about it is that it's got a lower volume, so you have to have it closer to your mouth when you use it, which is not a problem if you don't mind having this in your shot. If you want a microphone out of your shot, this is what I would do. This is about 400 bucks. I know it costs a lot, but it sounds really good. If it's a little bit too pricey for you, you can get a shotgun microphone. A shotgun microphone, basically, you can have it across the room and it'll pick up like way across the room, so it's like a shotgun. That's really common for videos. A lot of people use those for videos. It's good also if you have 2 or more people, it'll pick them all up, as will this one. Sounds really good. Again, I will try to edit the noise floor, and if that works, this is what it sounds like edited, just to have kind of a reference of the quality. And of course, the video that you saw before we hooked everything up was just the iPhone microphone, again, for reference. So, I don't know, if you have microphones sitting around, you want to use them with your iPhone, I think a 150 is not too steep to hook it all up. I hopefully can benefit from this. Hopefully you at home can benefit from my video sounding better. So if you have any questions, please let me know, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.